My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the website THBSTVD. This is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on a special allow button in order to make people see a lot of intrusive pop-ups. It's a mistake to interact with these pop-ups, and also this website THBSTVD may also redirect you to many shady and malicious and really filthy websites. So if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you need to fix your browser, but the best solution is to leave this page, of course, immediately. To avoid seeing all those filthy images. If the allow button was clicked by mistake, access the menu, then settings, then privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, select notifications and pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. You need to remove all these malicious sites from the list. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I do recommend that you investigate it with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.